Welcome to the International Space Station, one of the most advanced machines ever built by humans. But guess what? Even in space, someone still has to clean. And trust me, cleaning the ISS is nothing like your regular Sunday chores. Let's dive into the weirdest, grossest, and funniest cleaning jobs in space. Spoiler alert, nothing stays where it's supposed to. 1. Floating trash is a real thing on Earth. You toss trash in a bin. In space you throw trash, and it just floats around like it's in the Matrix. Astronauts have to stuff trash into special bags, then either send it back to Earth, or burn it up in the atmosphere like a fiery space bonfire. 2. Crumbs are a big deal. Crumbs on Earth, annoying. Crumbs in space, dangerous. A tiny breadcrumb could float into a fan, mess up equipment, or even fly into someone's nose. That's why astronauts eat tortillas instead of bread, because bread turns into a million flying crumbs. 3. The vacuum looks like a jetpack. Yes, astronauts vacuum in space. No, it's not like the one at home. They use huge space hoses attached to the walls. You strap yourself in, grab the hose, and float around like a cleaning superhero. And don't forget the air vents. If they get clogged, the smell just stays. 4. Socks gone missing. Socks in space are masters of hide and seek. Drop one, it disappears. It might float behind panels, inside storage, or into some mystery corner of the station. They found missing socks weeks later, just floating around like they were on vacation. 5. Yes, the space toilet needs cleaning. Yup, someone has to do it. The space toilet is a vacuum-powered poop-sucking machine. And like any toilet, it needs regular maintenance. One little clog, and let's just say, Houston, we have a doo-doo problem. 6. Cleaning yourself in space. There are no showers in space, so astronauts clean themselves with floating wipes and no-rinse shampoo. That's it. One astronaut said, "You never feel fully clean." Another described it as camping, but more stressful, and in zero gravity. So next time you complain about vacuuming your room, be glad your socks aren't floating, your poop doesn't need suction, and your crumbs aren't trying to sabotage your life. Hit that like button if you learned something new or gross, and subscribe for more weird and awesome space facts. Thanks for watching.